man. That dude must be deep. He's trying to outdig me. Never had that happen before. Oh, there he is. Wow. How about that, guys? This dude. Wow. I missed him once this morning already. And he was a lot deeper than I was thinking. But you can catch these moles yourself. I walked these runs down last night, and I came back out here this morning and I seen it moving, and I got all set up. And I even seen the worm that he was chasing. I seen the worm on top of the ground that was going away. And once I dug, he was not there. So I walked these runs back down. I came back, and sure enough, there he was again, working. And when they come back through their runs, once you've walked them down, sometimes they're not pushing them up very high. So you have to watch really close to the ground for the ground to move. But anyway, there we go. Got this dude. This neighbor is gonna be so proud. God bless you all from the MOLiminator. You're a big fella.